Namaskar. I'm Dr. Mona. I'm a naturotherapist and diet consultant since last 17 years in Mumbai. Detoxification, need of oxygen. Oxygen is like a prana vayu. Third thing, the whole body movement, the whole system will get, forced to do work. And because of that, the circulatory system is at the highest. Whatever the free radicals inside there, whatever the morbid matters are there, so due to the rigorous exercise of 30 minutes, all will get outside from the body, detoxified from the body. Our kidney is comparatively with less load of detoxification because sweating is there. Most of the toxins comes out with that thing. Your parasympathetic movement and digestive system will get affected with that. So you'll never face the constipation problem, never face the piles, fissures. Gut health is at the top. It definitely helps to improve your gut health. And once the gut health is improved, your immunity will also boost. See, all these things are interrelated. Make sure पेट साफ तो रोग माफ. Always target your digestion. If your digestion is good, then your metabolism is good, your immunity is good, the energy level inside the body is good, your absorption capacity is good, and you never feel the deficiency. So many benefits of living a Satvik lifestyle. So this is something in short about the exercise. Second thing I told you about the sleeping pattern. Due to workload, studies, higher studies and everything, generally we never get enough and sound sleep of 8 to 8 hours. Actually, this is like a machine. So it also need rest. Our body need rest. And minimum 8 hours of sound sleep is required to each and every one of us if we want to stay healthy. Practice the things. Go to bed early and wake up early. See, if we talk about the pranayama and yoga, the Brahma Muhurat around 4 to 4:30 is the ideal time in the morning. How it's possible? When you go to bed around 9, 8 to 9 in between. If it is not possible, understood. But still 6 to 7 a.m. in the morning is the best time to wake up. When the sun rises, you also rises. You also wake up at the same time. And if you want to wake up at 6 to 7 in between, then go to bed around 10. Then only the 8 hour of enough sleep will be covered. See, the importance of sleep is why not only to give rest to your body. While sleeping, our body makes lots of works at a time. Body built up, cleansing, detoxification, the tissues which are dead cells and tissues which are our body needs to throw it out. So executive systems are also there. The whole system, synchronizing with each another to make whatever the morbid matters, the toxins, the residues inside the body to get cleared early in the morning. So when we wake up, the first thing we have is just visit the loo and clear the stomach. So we prepare our stomach for the next day. Once the stomach is cleaned properly, toxins are removed, then the natural hungerness is there. So the next food we easily absorb, we easily digest. And that is why the long 8 hours sleep is required. Body build up. Every day there are wear and tear tissues inside the body. So many dead cells are there. So how to repair that? Once we repair, then only our body will build up. So these whole systems are done while we are sleeping. That's why the 8 hours long sleep is required. So this is something like need to talk about the Satvik lifestyle and Satvik food. In short, if I would like to say, spend 24 minutes out of 24 hours for yourself. It's a me time. Very famous word nowadays, right? So spend me time. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your lifestyle. Once you can say, make your schedule like once a week. You have cheat meal, cheat day. Late nights are also allowed once. But don't make it routine. See, Our body is made up of Pancha Mahabhuta. Prithvi, Jal, Vayu, Agni and Akash. The whole combinations are inside the body, which is provided, which is gifted from the Mother Nature. So, nature is a Prakriti. They are not man-made, gifted. So make sure our body is also made from that thing. So let it be natural way. Don't make it or don't try it to change that thing. This cloak is there, but biological cloak is very much important because our body is made up of our DNA and DNA from nature only. They are not man-made. So if we say the Panch Mahabhuta, this hard structure is a symbol of Prithvi Tattva. We all know like 70% of our body have the fluid inside. That is what? It is the indication of Jala Tattva. We breathe and need the oxygen to live. That is Prana, Prana Vayu. That is a symbol of Vayu Tattva. The energy we need. So that is from the digestive fire, which is again the symbol of Agni Tattva. The hollowness, the brain, the cavity inside the body, that is the symbol of Akash Tattva. The Cheta Tantra, Chetana is there. The aura is there. Jivani Shakti is there inside the body. All this belongs to the Akash Tattva. So likewise, this Pancha Mahabhuta is our structure and we have to maintain till the end. In short, just would like to clear one thing. Satvik food and Satvik lifestyle is nothing to say avoid this thing, don't eat this thing, eat in proportion, sometimes so you can enjoy. No. You can enjoy your taste, you can enjoy your life, but with certain changes. Specifically, if you are a vegan, it's okay. Enjoy your vegan life. It is better to avoid dairy, animal products. So we have another options like if you drink cow or buffalo milk, shift onto some nut milks like cashew nut milk, walnut milk, coconut milk, peanut milk. There are so many options that you can prepare. If you want to enjoy your curd, then one can prepare a peanut curd out of peanut milk. If you want to enjoy your buttermilk, then you can have a coconut buttermilk which is made from coconut milk. These all different therapies or the different methods of cooking we already explained in our other videos. You can go and check. So in short, this is all about the Satvik food and lifestyle. Hope this will definitely help you to change your lifestyle, to change your mindset and to improve your health. Namaste.